All right. The toy Jeep is back for another short video. What I'm going to show today is the speedometer gear. What this is, if your speedometer is off by 3, 5, or 10 miles because you put bigger tires, like I did, I went from size 32 to size 33. And these older Jeeps, Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Wranglers, we don't have the luxury of plugging in a, whatever you want to call that, into the OBD sensor and adjusting. We have to do it old style. This only takes 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna post it up here on exactly how you go about these readings. It's mentioned by your gears and your differential and the tire size. That's how you can figure out which one you need. As you can see, this is a size 30. Let me see right here. Here it goes. Oops, size 30. Hopefully you can see it. I already changed it one time when I first got the Jeep because mileage was off. I guess maybe there were 31s and went to 32s, never changed the gear. But now I'm going to go from 32. I went from 32s to 33s and I got to change the gear again. Like I said, it's a 5-minute job. I went on eBay and I got it from Ext Off-Road. Not bad. There's a coupon on here. Use the coupon code business card to receive 5% off your phone or internet order. So I actually paid $26.35 for the gear, which is not bad, and it took about a week to get in the mail. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and post up here the chart, which you look at the differential gears that you have in your Jeep compared to the tire size, and it'll tell you which one you need. Okay, for those of you that are new with the Jeeps, these older Jeeps, I know a lot of you out there are going to say, oh, this is kind of a stupid video, but you know what? I didn't know how to do this, and this is how I looked it up, so I'm here to help people out. What you need to do is you find your transfer case, which of course is right underneath the vehicle. This is what you're looking for right here. You're going to go ahead and pull the bracket back and unplug it. It's that simple. You're going to get a size 13, go right here, and take off this bracket that's on here. I've done this already like I mentioned earlier, so it's not a big deal for me. You take it out. What you want to do is set it down. It's going to go in one way. The way you take it out is the way you're going to put it back in. So this has little loops on it. There's loops on there when you set it in there. And this thing is simple. Comes right out. Oop. Shit. Be careful that the gear doesn't pop off like it just did on mine. Just go in there and pull it out. See? So this is what it would look like. It just goes right in. That's it. That's simple. Pull it out. Pulls right out. The one I have right here now is a size. See if I can see it. Is this a 30, 31, 35? I can't see. Maybe you can see. Let me see. Let me look. It is a 30, 33 maybe? I don't know. I can't see it. Try to see if you can see it. Let's see. Ooh. Let me try to hit it here. Can you see it? Does that say 32? Anyway. I don't know which one it is because I'm half blind and it has oil on it, so it makes it a little bit hard. I want to say it's a 31. That's what I think it is, a 31. If you need it, let me know. I'll be more than happy to ship it to you as long as I still have it. And all we're going to do now is take the new one. You're going to put it in here. Let me clean up a little bit so I can show you and explain a little bit more. All right, we got a little bit of light there. Makes it a little bit easier. But like I said, we got it off. Now, the good thing about the package is that it actually comes with an O-ring. If you see on here, it has the old one. You want to go ahead and replace it. So, without any hard problems, take the old one out. Put the new one in. That's simple. That way you don't have any issues. Now the other thing with this gear speedometer, I don't want to keep going on a gear. Speedometer gear is what it's called. Okay, what I do have is a 31. Now I'm going to a 30. And if you see the size, it's not big of a difference, but it does make a difference on the speedometer. The new one is actually a little bit bigger. So what I want to emphasize here too is just take it, make sure it clips right in. Okay? That's it. But what I was trying to say is, make sure you keep everything clean. You know, don't want to put no dirt or anything inside. If you look on your little thingy here, they have numbers. Can you see? This one says 39 to 45. It says 32 to 38. 26 to 31. What this is, it's the way you're going to have to face the whatchamacallit. Since this is a 30, I'm gonna have to put it 30. Nope, it's not the right one. This is the one here. 26 to 31. So what I want to do is I want to enter it and I want to face it towards I'm doing it wrong. Hold on. You want to take this, put it on here again. That way when you tighten it down, see it's got little grooves in it. So you want to make sure you get the grooves right where it needs to go. So when you do put it in, 26 to 30, it actually catches on to where it needs to catch on. So 26 to 30 is right there. All I need to do is push it in. Top is in. There we go. And then you set this plug up here. And you want to make sure the numbers are looking at you. So 26 to 31, and I got it size 32. So I'm going to put this back here and find the nut. Here we go. Put the nut back in here where it belongs. And believe it or not, that's it. Tighten it up. Where the hell's my tools? Tighten it up. You don't want to go too tight. That's size 13. Plug it in. And voila, that's it. Hopefully you learned. Quick, simple job. Like I said, 5 minutes. Now take it out for a test drive. Make sure that it's seated in right, that you're getting a speedometer that you should be. Download the Speedo application. That way you can go drive down the street, check it out, and you should be good to go. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate everyone watching. Support, and I'll keep coming up with more videos.